Blockchain. You hear it everywhere, all the time these days. Surely you've wondered what it's all about. Blockchain technology is something that has already caught everyone's attention across the globe. So, is blockchain just a new buzzword, or is it going to create a whole new world? Well, only time will tell. At its most basic level, blockchain is literally a chain of blocks, but not in the most traditional sense of the words. When we talk about the words block and chain in this context, we are actually talking about digital information, the block, stored on a public database, the chain. Blocks on the blockchain are made up of digital pieces of information. Specifically, they have three parts. 1. Blocks store information about transactions, like the time, date, and amount of a recent purchase from an online shopping site such as Amazon. 2. Blocks store information about who is participating in transactions. A block for your splurge purchase from Amazon would record your name and Amazon.com. 3. Blocks store information that distinguishes them from other blocks. Much like you and I have names to distinguish ourselves from one another, a block will use a hash to distinguish itself from another block. So let's say you made your splurge purchase on Amazon, and while it's in transit, you just couldn't resist and decided you needed another one. Even though the details of your new transaction would look nearly identical to your earlier one, the unique codes can help us tell the blocks apart. A single block on a blockchain can actually hold up to 1 megabyte of data. Depending on the size of the transactions, that means a single block can house a few thousand transactions under one roof. I hope that gives you a better picture on how the blockchain thing actually works. So, how and where do you get started? Most people decide to add blockchain to their skill set or seek a career as a blockchain developer. While software developers tend to be the ones signing up for blockchain courses, you don't need to be a coder to create blockchain networks for your company. If you're planning on a blockchain career, you actually have a number of options to choose from. You could be a blockchain engineer, a blockchain developer, a blockchain legal consultant, and many others. But what's the best way to strategically establish a career in blockchain technology? What the blockchain industry needs is people who are continuously developing their skills and staying up to date with the industry's advancements. There are steps that blockchain enthusiasts can take to start developing their career. 1. Build the basics. Blockchain is unlike any other technology available. Understanding its unique value proposition is a critical building block. Features like decentralization, smart contracts, and dApps are more than just buzzwords. They are the essence of blockchain, and any successful blockchain professional will intimately understand them. 2. Consider cryptography. Blockchain is renowned for its ability to protect and secure assets, and cryptography makes this possible. Failure to effectively use cryptography can have devastating consequences for companies who rely on it for security. High-level cryptography training is available online from sources such as Coursera and Udacity. 3. Understanding distributed computing theory and application. Distributed computing is no longer a theory. In an age where reliability and security are two of the most pressing issues, distributed computing is one of the blockchain solutions. 4. Maintain community management. Blockchain and the cryptocurrencies it powers are unique for their active communities that encourage their popularity and growth. There are hundreds of new cryptocurrency projects, and they can function as on-the-job training for blockchain students. 5. Forge your own path. The blockchain market is thriving, and those looking to get involved can follow their own path to success. Rather than spending years at academic institutions to prepare for a blockchain career, these DIY strategies can streamline the process. Do you need any special skills? Well, just like any other programming venture, blockchains require a basic understanding of high-level development concepts, like object-oriented programming and fragmentation, one of the most promising careers of the future. Blockchain tech startups are everywhere now. You can see them across education, healthcare, finance, government, and other sectors. Innovative uses of blockchain represent the fastest growing sector in tech. A study by Glassdoor has found that demand for blockchain work has increased by 300% since last year. A growing number of employers are looking for blockchain talent, and there's more good news: the pay. While those with technical skills already tend to command higher than average salaries, job openings in the blockchain space are offering significantly higher salaries than most. Touted as the career of the future, blockchain experts are in huge demand, primarily at banks, financial companies, global in-house centres and other public sector firms. Yes, blockchain is definitely the next big thing. I hope that this has helped you decide whether you would like to pursue a career in blockchain. Good luck! But if you think a career in blockchain is not for you, click here.